Good morning, everyone. Welcome and welcome back to another video. And today I'm on the river road because I want to be close to my church because it's like almost 7 o'clock and mass starts at 8 o'clock. So, back it up a little bit. So, yesterday I was in town and I go, maybe I'll go on the river road. It's close and I'll be able to go to church. I'll be right there. I'll just go into mass and I'll be good to go, right? So I ended up, as you know from the vlog yesterday, I went all the way to the end of this road, went to the field, looked at the time, I was like, oh shit, I am gonna be late for church. So I practically ran down this road. I mean, ran. And I get here to church, not one person in the parking lot. I'm like, on the bulletin, it said that Saturday was gonna be mass on Saturday at 8:30 in the morning. And then I get here and there's like crickets. I'm like, what the hell is going on? I was like, so today I definitely have to go to church. Yo, if there's no church this morning, I'm gonna be like, what? What is the malfunction? Why isn't there mass? So this morning I'm going and dang, the wind is cold. The wind is always really brisk on this road when you're going to this way. When you go the opposite way, going towards the main road, it's a lot warmer. But I think if I'm going, I'm gonna beeline in here. I'm gonna go in the woods a little bit. Shh, don't tell no one. But we'll see if I can see some deer and stuff. The river is nice. The sun is just coming up over the horizon. It's beautiful. Tomorrow we have to go to Bangor and pick up our cat. Our old Sasha kitty, she passed on. She was like 16 and she was an abandoned cat. My niece found her and picked her up and stuff. Oh my gosh, she was so cute when she was a kitten. And she's been such a good little cat. And so we had to have her put down. It was so sad. And so they cremated her at, where the heck was it? Not Brewer, but Beezy. There's a little town in Maine called Beezy. It's like right next to Bangor. One of the small surrounding little towns. Is not really that big. It's probably as big as Howland is, really. But yeah, we got to go pick her up Monday and do a few other things. Yo, there's some geese over here. The sky looks really pretty. It is freezing. My eyes water like crazy when it's cold out. I gotta text my mother. I haven't texted my mother to see if they made it home or not. I didn't get any response. She's probably wiped out. Her and my stepfather are probably both wiped right out from the travels. Because they're up there in age. That's crazy. There's some ducks over there. I'm waiting to get a little bit closer. These are pretty. Oh man, it's gotten so cold where everything is dying. We still have to do we have to put plastic around the chicken coop for the winter. I have to clean it up before we put plastic around it, and then bank the house, which is, dang, they're talkative today. There's some Canadian geese over here. It's a big flock of them too. And then there's some right here. And then there's some more over there. And then there's some way over there. Yeah, they're talkative little buggers. I gotta keep going. Oh, great. What's in the road? Oh, I think it might be a cat. Because up the road a little bit, there's a house that has tons of cats. Oh my gosh, this female cat was at the end of this person's driveway, and I got her to come to me. Oh man, she was so sweet. And it was a young cat too. She was real tiny. And so I'm petting her, and I go, okay. And I went down the road, come back, and she had two little kittens, and I think they're living underneath their trailer. Oh my gosh. One was all gray with the most beautiful blue eyes, and the other one was, I think it was black and white. Oh, they were so friggin' cute. Oh, I think I walked a mile. I walked a mile. So, yeah, I'm to the haunted house, so I know from my house to this house is a mile. So, I'm off. Let's see, what time is it though? It's 7:02 in the morning. If I can get this to go up. Yeah, it's 7:02 in the morning. So, I don't know if I'm going to have enough time to go in the woods. Probably not, because I think I have about, my eyes are watering like crazy. That's why I keep going like that. But, yeah. I should have went to church last night. There was a friend of mine, she said, I'm going to go to church in the evening, so that way it doesn't interfere with my walk, because she likes to walk around town too. And I said, good idea. But I was already in my PJs, and I was all, eesh. So, I don't know. I could have gone. I probably would have just brushed my hair and put a jacket on. I don't know. But I hope If you like my vlogs, like and subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that way every time I upload a video, hopefully you'll get it. And I'm gonna walk down here a little more and see what I can get into today. So see you in a bit. Bye. Well, I made it to the field, and I'm just looking to see if there's any deer out here. I don't see any. The sun is taking its sweet ass time to come out, I can tell you that. But yeah, I can't be too long down here. It's like the hell time is it? Yeah, 7:17. I think I'm gonna walk down here and yeah, I think I'm gonna walk down here and then walk back. So because I have very short time this morning, I might go somewhere this afternoon and vlog somewhere, just because it's gonna be like, oh my gosh, if I went and posted this morning's vlog, it would be like a 10-minute vlog because it's just me running up here and then going to church. So I think I'm gonna go I'm gonna go somewhere in the afternoon today. So keeping an eye out for, because usually there's deer out here. I don't see any. They might come out when the sun is a little more up in the horizon. But yep. I'm going down this way, down here. For a couple minutes. It looks kind of scary, actually. I don't know how far I'm gonna get in there. Oh man. So, I got something in my eye. It's probably the mascara I put on. Anyway, so today it's freezing. It's like 41 degrees out. And there's the spot I usually go in when I go on the trail down here. But I don't have time to mess around with that today. I think I'm just gonna go down here a little bit. It's probably 7:20 by now. Yeah, 7:20. And so I am going to just walk down here. The road stops down here. So then I'll just walk back. But it's gorgeous down here. See? I'd take some pictures, but I don't have time. The trees are gorgeous, though. If I don't wreck myself. Oh, wouldn't that be it if I saw a freaking moose? I'd probably like be so surprised, honestly. These woods are so nice. And the man at the end of this road owns all of this, and he's super nice. Yeah, he's from the area, him and his family. I think maybe somebody in his family might have built the or helped do the interstate through here. I know from Holton, the town Holton, which is in northern Maine, from Holton to, I don't even know how far, probably Bangor or something, I don't know. But my grandfather helped build the interstate. There's a lot of families around here that helped do the interstate. Because there really wasn't a lot of work, especially in the wintertime back in the day. There still isn't really much work up there nowadays. Because since Amazon's come through, no one's getting anything. And this is the spot where I usually come out. That's usually where I come out of the woods. I start down there, go around, mess around a little bit, and then I'll go right there. So I'm going to go back. And I'm going to go back and go to church. I could have beeline it to church because it's like almost 7:30 and mass is at 8. I think I'll have enough time. Hopefully no one takes my seat that I usually sit at. I'll be bumming. But like and subscribe to my channel and share my video to other social medias. My link tree is in the description below that has all my social medias on it. And go check me out. Follow me on my social media and share this video. And we'll see you in the next adventure. Bye.